Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sign up to eBay affiliate program. The first thing you want to do once you're on ebay.com, if you already have an eBay account, you're going to sign in. If you don't have an eBay account, you're going to sign up by simply tapping on sign up in the top left hand corner. Once you have signed up, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Then below sell, you're going to see the option affiliates. You're going to tap on affiliates. Once you have tapped on affiliates, you will be redirected to a new page. And you can see right here, welcome to eBay Partner Network. And by the way, as an eBay affiliate, you'll be able to get a commission whenever someone taps on your link and makes a purchase on eBay. So to complete your sign up, you're going to tap on sign up. You can either tap it right here or either in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to this page, and you can see right here, earn money with the eBay Partner Network, and you can see how does it work. You decide the best affiliate model based on your specific business. You integrate your mobile, web, and social platforms with eBay Global Inventory. Your users engage with your platforms and buy eBay products. So you're going to simply tap on sign in with eBay. After you have done that, you're going to be led to this dashboard, and you're going to simply tap on continue with Google. After you have tapped on continue with Google, you're going to be led to a new page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And you can see right there, I'm now signed in. All I'll need to do from here is simply enter my display name, and then you can paste in your website URL, or you could paste in your social media URL. For example, if you want to use YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, or if you want to use Instagram account or a TikTok account, you would paste it in right there. Then you'll also select the country and you'll enter your address. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, you're going to select the currency, and then you can see promotional information. So for example, if you are using website, you'll toggle on website. If you are using social networks, you'll simply toggle it on. Then from there, you'll select the social network that you're using. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can see the agreement is typically 1% to 4% commission for a sale. And you can see the average payout, $225 payout per item. And the payout would be 2.5% of order. And you can see $550 payout, that would be 3% of order, and it goes down. Once you're finished entering all of this information, you'll simply tap on sign up. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.